Let us look at the next section, students. This section contains two matrix match the column type questions. Entries given in column 1 have to be matched with entries given in column 2. For every entry in column 1, there may be one or more than one matching in column 2. In question number 39, we have to match the compounds formed at the end of the reaction with the properties given in column 2. If you look at the first reaction given in column 1, we have NaNO2 reacting with HCl. So it forms HNO2. And when this HNO2 reacts with FeSO4, it forms the brown ring complex. So the NO2 forms NO+, and we have Fe H2O5 NO SO4. So in this case, the Fe is present in a state of +1 as well as the NO is present in a state of +1. So this is the brown ring test. And if you look at the options which are given to us, we can clearly see that this has to be matched with option Q, which says that the oxygen state of metal in product is +1. If you look at the second reaction now, HgCl2 is allowed to react with SnCl2 in small amount. So it forms Hg2Cl2, which is a white colored precipitate. So the second option will be matched with P. It will be matched with Q as well. Hg is present in a state of +1 in this case. There is a metal-metal bond which is present, so this will also be a match. Precipitation occurs, so this will also be a match. So the second option will be matched with PQRNS. If you look at the third reaction now, we have Hg2Cl2 reacting with NH4OH. So this is going to form Hg plus HgNH2Cl. So this will appear as a black colored precipitate or a black colored residue. So for this option, the correct matching will be S and T. And if you look at the D option now, we have the precipitation of NiS. So NiS is also a black colored precipitate. So the correct matching will be S and T again. So this is the correct matching for this question, students. Option A will be matched with Q. Option B will be matched with PQRS. Option C and option D will be matched with ST and ST. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 40. Match the compounds given in column 1 to the reagent given in column 2. So we have benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde does not give positive iodoform test. So for A, P will not be a match. If you look at Q, benzaldehyde does not reduce Fehling solution. It does not give the test for Fehling solution or Benedict solution. It gives a positive tolerance test. This is correct, students. R will be a match. It will react with HCN and it gives benzoin condensation. So the correct matching for option A will be R, S and T. If you look at the second reaction now, we have acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. It is going to give positive iodoform test. It is going to reduce Fehling solution. It is going to give positive tolerance test. It is going to react with HCN as well. It does not give benzoin condensation. So for B option, we have to match with PQRNS. If you look at the C option now, we have formaldehyde. Formaldehyde does not give positive iodoform test. It will give Fehling's test. It will reduce tolerance reagent. It will react with HCN and it will not give benzoin condensation. So the correct matching for option C is QRNS. And if you look at the D option now, we have an alpha hydroxy ketone. So it will give positive iodoform test. It will reduce Fehling solution. It will reduce tolerance reagent. It will react with HCN. It will not give benzoin condensation. So for the D option, the correct matching are PQRNS. So we have the correct matching for this question as well. So students, this is it for today. I hope the solutions were clear to you. Thank you.